Good morning, and we're reporting live from the Old Dominion. Welcome back to Virginia. We're looking at Massanutten Four Seasons Resort here, the family-friendly destination here in Virginia. Today we're looking at 1,110 feet of vertical, which is an upgrade, honestly, but we're looking at a low number of slopes today, which is 14. We're looking at the slush coast today. You know, we've gotten away from the ice coast. The conditions here this winter have been, I'm not even sure you can call it winter because it's been pretty darn warm. Luckily, the smile's still on my face because we're going skiing, and that's what it's all about. It's all about the stoke. I'm honestly surprised when I checked the website this morning for the vertical. You know, I had to get my stats out for you guys. It was 1,110 feet of vertical. That seems like a hefty amount. It's actually our second most of the season. But it's a small amount of trails. It might actually be our least amount of the season, so that's an interesting coincidence. Whitetail, I'm looking at you, Whitetail, once more, because I was gonna get up this morning and head on over, and you posted that you were closed. The Mountain Ops teams are hard at work for all of us to even be on this slush ice. Shout out Mountain Ops teams for keeping these places open for us. Temperatures are 52 degrees, it's pretty balmy. I'm excited to get out there. I'll see y'all on the slopes, and let's get ripping. .35, 40 mile an hour wind gusts. I'm stuck on a chair here in Massanutten. As long as we get down safe, I'm cool. Hippity hop, can't stop it. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Massanutten Ski Resort in Massanutten, Virginia. What a day it was. Definitely sweating today. 61 degrees on the hill. Had all those little zippers on the side to let the air flow in. It wasn't enough. Who would have thought you'd come back to the car and run the AC? But that's the season we're having. Massanutten Resort is going to end up with a 2.8 shred score. That has to do with the high wind hold, slushy conditions due to weather. That's not within their control. Don't let my experience today shy you away from this resort. It's actually a great place to bring your family and learn to ski. There's a few advanced runs open today, nothing too crazy. They had some bumps on them. The slush mounds were out there for sure, just waiting to grab your ski, like the slush monster. Slush monster's out there waiting to grab your ski, that's for sure. That's like ACL territory, and we're trying to keep the season rolling, so we had to get out of there with the wind hold. And it's looking like Whitetail will be in my next mountain, but you never know with them. I know they're trying their hardest over there. It is our lowest shred score of the season. I appreciate y'all tuning into these videos. We're going to keep them rolling, and I'll see y'all next time.